Hi, I'm Eugene, CEO of Splatica. Let me tell you what Splatica is. Think about how we've captured the world before. First it was photos, then video, then it was 360-degree imagery. But all of these formats have one limitation. They are flat. You can look at a place, but you can't really enter it. At Splatica, we are changing that. We take 360-degree video, captured with a camera or a drone, and turn it into a photorealistic 3D environment using Gaussian Splatting technology. So instead of spending days or weeks manually modeling a space, you simply capture the real location, upload the footage, and Splatica reconstructs it as an interactive 3D scene. And once that scene exists, it becomes much more than a video. You can explore it in a browser, you can experience it in VR, you can render it into cinematic content. You can export it into professional pipelines for Unity, Unreal Engine, Isaac Sim, and other digital twin workflows. That matters because almost every industry works with real spaces. Real estate needs better ways to show properties. Tourism needs more immersive ways to preview destinations. Film production needs access to virtual locations. Cultural heritage needs tools to preserve places before they disappear. And robotics need realistic environments where machines can be tested, trained, and prepared before entering the physical world. This is why Splatica is important. We are making spatial capture faster, more accessible, more scalable. We are moving from flat media to spatial media, from watching places on a screen to entering them as a digital world. You can visit Splatica.com to see what thousands of our users already created.